happens when three powerful luxury performance SUVs line up for the ultimate showdown. Today on Motor Vista, we're bringing you an epic drag race between the brand new BMW X3 M50, the sharp and athletic Porsche Macan GTS, and the aggressive Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe. Three rivals, three engines, 1/4 mile of pure excitement. And we're going to find out which one really comes out on top. Let's quickly run through the contenders. The BMW X3 M50 packs a 3.0-liter turbocharged, straight-six petrol engine with 398 horsepower and 580 Nm of torque, powering all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic with launch control, weighing in at 1,980 kilograms with a starting price of £71,000. Next, the Porsche Macan GTS brings a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 440 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque, paired with a 7-speed automatic and launch control, tipping the scales at 1,960 kilograms with a price tag from £75,000. And then there's the Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe, boasting a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with an impressive 421 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, connected to a 9-speed auto with launch control, weighing 1,995 kilograms and starting from £78,000. Before the race begins, let's fire up the engines for a sound check. The BMW has a decent growl with some enhanced exhaust sounds through the speakers. The Porsche roars with authentic pops and crackles that grab attention immediately, while the AMG unfortunately sounds the weakest despite its performance badge. A surprising twist. With engines warmed, it's time for predictions. The BMW is known for strong launches, the Porsche combines power with precision, and the AMG driver has faith in his machine's speed. But let's see what really happens. First race, quarter-mile drag. The BMW launches hard, the Porsche rockets ahead, and the AMG surprises everyone by shooting into the distance. At the line, it's the AMG that takes the win, leaving BMW and Porsche in a close battle for second. Race after race, the AMG continues to dominate, showing incredible pace and consistent launches, while BMW and Porsche trade places in tight duels, each trying to edge the other out. Eventually, after multiple runs, the AMG stacks up wins and confidence, while the Porsche's razor-sharp launches keep it close.
And the BMW's strong mid-range helps it sneak a surprise victory in one dramatic final run. The stopwatch confirms the story. BMW finishes the quarter mile in 12.7 seconds, Porsche just behind at 12.8 seconds, and AMG close at 12.9 seconds. But we're not done now, it's time for a rolling race from 50 miles per hour. In Comfort Auto mode, the Porsche surges ahead thanks to its fast gearbox response, the AMG pushes hard, and the BMW struggles with a slow kickdown. Switching to manual sport mode changes everything. The BMW claws back, overtaking AMG and pushing close to the Porsche. But once again, the Macan edges ahead with sheer determination. Finally, it's the brake test from 100 miles per hour. Slam the brakes and let's see who stops first. The results flip the script once more. The Porsche shows its legendary stopping power, but the Mercedes shocks everyone with its short, powerful braking distance, even outperforming the BMW, which struggles slightly in this area. After all tests, the scoreboard is clear. BMW takes the quarter-mile drag. Porsche wins the rolling races and proves best on the brakes, while the AMG shows explosive performance off the line but falls just short overall. Three SUVs, three different personalities, one focused on balance, one on razor-sharp dynamics, and one on pure straight-line thrills. That's what makes this battle so fascinating. Which one would you choose, the all-rounder BMW X3 M50, the sharp Porsche Macan GTS, or the fiery AMG GLC 43? Tell us in the comments. This is Motor Vista, bringing you the most thrilling supercar and performance car showdowns. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more epic races and reviews.